Pappy. Yo.
These bitches be sucking and fucking raw.
Yeah.
She like to say Perkins and Adderall.
Yeah.
These niggas gon' hate, but I stand tall. But I be too high to be mad at y'all. I'm straight out the mud with a hot Glock.
Yeah.
And we don't want to pull up and hop back.
Yeah.
We spin the blow on the cart side. Don't come to my side, you get crossed back. Shawty gang, why would you do that? Yeah, I get your cool wet. AR-15 with a cool key. I'm in this beat with a push stick. Too many drugs on my black eye. Too many funds on the east side. My life will move like Ray Charles. I was in Texas with chainsaw. Hold on, I'm straight out the mud. Haul out the slug. Haul out the whole suck your dick to get up. Twit hit the spot high in the other the road. Yeah, you heard what I said. Good brain, she giving me head. Glock Gen 5 with a sweet put play. Glock Gen 5 with a sweet get back. All of my youngins attack. I drop the bag, they collecting your hat. I'm really having these niggas just rap. How said she don't suck dick, she kept. We should be fucking, ain't doing no cuffing. Now we ain't doing no cuffing. Keep the hoe out, we ain't doing no laughing. I keep the motherfucking K like a wrist. I got a draw a dick sing. I am in love with Blitz sing. Real ones I every first of the month. Know when I pull out the wreck, she gon' fuck. Bitch said she feelin' low the game, but I feel low my name. I have a Glocks galore on me. Switch on every single fact. These bitches be sucking and fucking raw. She like to say Perkins and Adderall. These niggas gon' hate, but I stand tall. But I be too high to be mad at y'all. I'm straight out the mud with a hot Glock. And we don't want to pull up and hop back. We spin the blow on the cart side. Don't come to my side, you get crossed back. Shawty gang, why would you do that? Yeah, I get your cool wet. AR-15 with a cool key. I'm in this beat with a push stick. Too many drugs on my black eye. Too many funds on the east side. My life will move like Ray Charles. I was in Texas with chainsaw.
I was in Texas with chainsaw. Yeah, I was in Texas with chainsaw.
Shout out to them.